Bruh.
Bro, I can't stand you.
I love you.
Do I want some bug nasty shit or some dubstep?
I don't know, but get together.
I don't know what I want. I gotta just.
I'm trying to make it happen.
This it right here.
I'm so weak.
Bro, we're dumb!
It's okay. Get ready.
How am I supposed to hold this shit?
What was it like? What was it like?
Dead fucking children.
Dead children. Are you serious?
Bro, you want... Bro, let me get you on
Oh,
camera.
I love it.
Smoking this, smoking this.
Oh Lord, why
Okay,
are we
bro.
doing this?
Bro, you gotta cover the wind. I can't see. I can't see what you're doing over here, bro. You gotta be in it. Is it lighting? Bro, dead children, I tell you. It's nasty. Look at you. Look
It
at
was like smoke.
Well, you know, at least we can say we did it.
Smoke us. What you want to do with that?
Throw it, bro.
You didn't even pause it.